2020 was rough, right? How about 2021? Girl, let me tell you the perfect solution. You know, I could lie to you and say that I just had one glass, but let's be real. I finished the whole bottle. Today's makeup look is going to be inspired by my favorite wine. One of my girlfriends introduced me to this wine. It is Campo Viejo Rioja. It's a Tempranillo 2018. So it's a Spanish wine. So I figured today we're going to go for a Spanish look to go along with the theme. Disclaimer, I am not a sommelier. I'm not a wine expert, okay? I am just a girl that enjoys a glass here and there, everywhere, every now and then, every other day. You know, whatever. I just like wine. So these are just like my personal opinions about it. Okay, so let's talk about this wine for a second. There are a lot of notes of like fruitiness with a little bit of like that smoky flavor. So I kind of want to do a bold red lip and something smoky on the eyes. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to take my bronzer and just buff this in the crease. Make sure that you bring that bronzer all the way onto the inner corner. This is what's gonna give this that really like smoldering, sexy, soft look. So next, I'm gonna take a brown. I'm gonna take a really warm brown, and I'm gonna push that in the crease, but also bring it down onto the lid. But we're gonna concentrate it in the crease for now. So just push that in. Bitch, I see wearing this look is somebody that is kind of feisty, a little sassy for sure. Someone that is confident. And that can be any of us, girl. That can be you. Okay? That can most definitely be you. That's the beauty of makeup. That's what I love about it, is that you can literally just be whoever you want to be. You know what I'm saying? You know? Taking that same brown, I'm just going to pop it on the eyelid. Well, next up, I'm going to do a wing. And I'm going to do half a wing because I want to keep that lifted shape. I want to go for that feline look. You know what I'm saying? Look it up. One down. One more to go. They're even-ish. And we're gonna go with that. I want to do a really like soft, smooth base. I don't want to do anything heavy. I want it to look as natural as I possibly can. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of a smoothing primer. So I'm going in with a medium coverage foundation. So I'm not too keen on doing anything super heavy. I'm going to highlight certain areas. Obviously, like, I'm not going to go ham. I got a big faux head, so I'm not trying to accentuate that. I know it looks like a lot, but trust me, it's gonna come together. It's not gonna look like a lot. It's gonna look natural. And now I'm going to take a micro smoothing powder and I'm gonna put it underneath the eyes. We're not baking. We're not baking here. Okay, we're just gonna set. Now we're gonna bronze because I imagine the Spaniard women are very bronzy. So you put some on your nose. Because I'm going for like an overall sun-kissed look. I'm not going to do too much blush because I am going to do a red lip with a little bit of a twist. So those same colors that we did on the top, we're now going to do on the bottom. And you can go as low as you want, girlfriend. Go all the way down to your lips if you want. If that will make you happy. Do what makes you happy. Ooh, base is done. Okay. Final step are going to be the lips. This is going to be a little bit of a twist, okay? So I am going to darken up the edges with a darker lip liner. Now I'm going to take a cherry red and I'm going to pop it right in the center. I do want to spice it up a little bit, so I'm going to add some red glitter on my lips. And I'm not putting it all the way to the edges, I'm keeping it in the center because I want to keep that pouty look. Voila. Now I'm done. So that's it, you guys. This is my inspired look from my favorite wine, Campo Viejo Rioja. I really recommend this. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Not sponsored. Just a girl that enjoys her glass of wine here and there, everywhere. It's damn good wine. Let me know down below in the comment section of any of your favorite wines that I should try. I want to try, I have a couple of other wines in mind, but if you have any suggestions out there, I am open for it. I'm up for trying any kind of wine, any alcohol in general that you might want to send my way. I'm open. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Bitch, I'm out. Tempranillo has notes of strawberry, blackberry, and fruity acidic flavors, ending with a light smoky flavor, saved only for the last dish. Tempranillo.